it's reveal time again. Got another one to pull out the moulds. Again, it's always a nervous time pulling these out of the moulds because you don't know what's going to go wrong. But anyway, I have faith. I think it'll all go well. So this one is a blue kayak, and all I've done with this one is I've just put orange flashes on the front and the back, blue deck, but I've put some mica powder in it, some ocean blue mica powder, so it'll give it a bit of a twinkle, a bit of a vibrancy. And then right in the middle, round about here, I've just put the actual Surge Play symbol and the writing underneath it, Surge Play. So it's quite simple, but I think this will be transformed once it gets the orange cockpit rim, the orange seam all the way around, and then orange deck lines and bungees. I think it'll look really pretty cool then. Really quite sporty, but quite funky at the same time. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this one unboxed. That looks nice. I didn't think that top was going to come off then. It gave a little bit of a fight. But let's get the rest of it out. That's actually really nice. It's come out quite well. Yay. Right, I get this one cleaned up and I'll come back.